Hi everyone, and welcome back. I wanted to share a morning vlog with you guys. I have not done one of these in forever, and just for the sake of just, you know, kind of switching it up, and I've just been feeling kind of like in a rut with filming lately, and I thought this would be something fun and different, and again, something I haven't done in a really long time, so I thought it might be entertaining for you guys and entertaining for me as well. So you guys saw that we started off the morning there at the barn. I'm usually there for about an hour to 2 hours, depending on everything that I have to do. I try and go a handful of times a week, and I get a little bit done every single time. That was not a riding day, that was just barn chores. So I didn't share everything, but you guys got a little glimpse of a few things that I did that morning. It was early, it was really cold. It was like in the mid 40s while I was over there. So very chilly, at least for where I live. So I came home, warmed up, got changed into some clean clothes. And as you can see here in the kitchen, my sink is overflowing with dishes. You guys haven't seen it yet, but the trash really needs to be taken out. I had a mountain of laundry to do. Just everything was behind. We had went out of town. We went camping. We love to do desert camping. We have side-by-sides, off-roading cars, and we go with a big group of friends, and we were gone for about 4 days. And so unloading the trailer and just getting caught up here at the house, I just felt a little bit behind, but today was the day that I was able to put some time aside this morning and just get caught up. So my husband was at work, the boys were home again because we were on a break this week, so it was really nice having the kids home, and I was able to just kind of put my head down and throw myself into what I needed to get done, and I didn't have to worry about, you know, school drop off and pick up and all those things that come with a school schedule. So it was a really nice week, and I loved having the boys home. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive on in. So you can see we're starting here in the kitchen, tackling these dishes, unloading the dishwasher and reloading the dishwasher. And then we need to tackle some other tasks as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. Make sure you guys stick around for my coming videos, like in the next few days to a week. We are starting to turn our attention to spring, and not only do I have a lot of spring decorating, I know you guys really enjoy my decorating videos, but we're making a few changes to the house, and I can't wait to show you guys. One of the things we changed, I'm working with a brand, so I can't show it yet, but very, very soon. But if you guys are ready for just like all the spring feels, make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already, because actually tomorrow I'll be bringing my spring bins home. I'm actually moving storage units, and I'm gonna bring home my horse trailer and just load all of my holiday and decorating bins into my horse trailer. And while I'm doing that, I'm just gonna go ahead and bring my spring bins home, like might as well. So I'm gonna start going through all that and kind of sorting through what I want to keep, what I want to get rid of, what I want to use this year, and we will decorate the house together. So make sure you guys again are subscribed, and if you guys want to be notified anytime I post a new video, you can hit the bell and then you'll get a notification, so that way you don't miss any new content. So that's to come. Little home refreshes. We need to get our hands on the backyard. I did hear some of you guys are getting hit with a blizzard again after that last freeze that came through. So talking with a lot of you guys in my comments over on my Instagram, which you guys can always follow me over there if you want to chit chat. My handle is typically_Katie over on Instagram. And I've been chatting with a lot of you guys just saying that you're so ready for sunshine. So, you know, where I live, we don't get any of that type of weather. So if I can provide you guys with a little warmth and a little sunshine, then I'm happy to do so. And I'm more than ready for florals, you guys. We were picking hibiscus flowers and hydrangeas, and my birds of paradise are all bloomed in my backyard. So if you're not ready for florals, that's fine. But here in Southern California, we are in the 70s, like 75 degrees and sunny and 80 degrees. So you're going to find me in my yard. You're going to find me picking flowers and decorating for spring. So, you know, maybe I can help send you guys a little warmth and inspiration your way if you are the ones going through the snow and the blizzards this week. And I hope you guys are staying warm and safe. Every time I use this paste, I have to share it because it really is a miracle worker. I have heard people say that they really wanted a white porcelain farmhouse sink, just like the one that I have, but they hesitated and they went with stainless steel just because they were afraid of the wear and tear and scratching, and maybe it would look dirty. But I'm telling you guys, this Shedazzle paste is, like I said, a miracle worker. It is so awesome. I'm gonna clean only half my sink, and then I'll give you guys a look at the difference. Like, this sink looks brand new, and I redid my kitchen in 2020, so about 6 years ago, and this sink we put in at that time, and it looks amazing. It looks amazing. So this stuff is really great. You can use it on all kinds of things. I just grab it on Amazon. So I just always like to share it because you can use it in like your bathrooms, your showers, your sink, stuff like that. So if you guys have any like stubborn stains or anything, and you have a sink like mine, this is really cheap. It's, I can't even, maybe like a few dollars, but it's worth picking up and giving it a try.
You probably think I'm hurting, but darling, I'll be fine. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm broken. I swear so
I warned you guys about the trash and the recycle. It actually, we had a couple rainy days, and while it's raining, I don't like to take the trash out. So it kind of like built up and accumulated over here, and it was just like eating at me. So like I said, today's the day where I just took to get caught up on everything. Our trash doesn't normally get that bad, but apparently in California we're made of sugar, and if it's like slightly raining, you're not gonna find us outside. So that's why the trash looks like that. Don't judge me. But it feels really good to have caught up on all this stuff. You know, just when you go out of town and you come back, you need a vacation from your vacation, and I just needed a minute. And at the same time, I was like, you know what? I really need to film. I'm going to give the people what they want. A lot of people think, you know, I'm cleaning a clean house, and that's not the case. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't pick up a lot of like the grime, the realistic grime that we all have in our houses. I have dusty areas. I have furniture I need to pull away from the wall. I have dust bunnies. I have windows with fingerprints all over it, which, speaking of a window, we now have a shattered glass window in our house. I'll tell you guys just the cliff notes. We have a guest bedroom with a window in the front of our house, and I was selling something on Marketplace. And the dogs love to go in the guest bedroom and lay on the bed in there. And I've shared this with you guys before, and just look out the window and watch people walk by and cars walk by and just kind of like watch life go by, right? Well, they saw that someone was here, and I was in the garage door open, and they were barking. So my husband shut the garage door that goes from the house to the garage. So they can be intimidating. A lot of people are scared of our dogs. So my husband shut that door. So they raced through the house into the guest bedroom, launched themselves onto the bed, slid off the bed, and hit the window. And we were in the garage and we heard it break. Like, we all looked at each other, even the person picking up what I was selling. We all like kind of like stopped and looked at each other. We're like, what was that? And I finished what I was doing. My husband went in the house and he's like, the dogs broke the window. So we think it was Boston that actually hit the window, because he had the tiniest little cut on top of his nose. Luckily, like, there was no glass, there was no injury. And thankfully we have a double paned window, and he just broke one of the panes. So it's not like we have the elements from the outside coming in. But if you guys have ever had to replace a window before, a double pane window, like, how expensive is this going to be? I already called a friend and I was like, do you have a window guy? Because Boston just shattered our window. So we need to deal with that. But just like a quick little story time, that there's a lot of like behind the scenes stuff that doesn't always necessarily get mentioned or comes up in videos. So I'll keep you guys posted on the window situation.
Goes round and round in circles, but I'm still on the ground. It's a dizzy
The last thing on my list for this morning was getting to the store. We were out of eggs, the milk was bad, we were out of bread, like you name it, we needed it. I know when we're going out of town, I try not to hit the store, and then by the time we get back, like we're really out of things. So I just needed odds and ends. This wasn't like a meal planning trip or anything like that. It was just kind of filling those gaps that we really, really needed. I did go to the store again yesterday and planned out a few meals for the next few nights. So I just did that on a different day. But of course, while I was at the store, I had to peek at some of the spring stuff. I did pick up just one little garland, and it was that Bunny and Egg garland with like the wrapped twine. Was so cute, you guys. I had to have it. And I knew my paper garland from last year was probably on its last leg for this year. But that's gonna do it for this one. I'm just giving you guys a quick little overhaul of my grocery haul. If you guys liked this video, I hope you'll like and of course subscribe before you leave. And other than that, I'll see you guys next time in a brand new video. Bye, friends.